I was not going to do this, but in my defense, there was a sale. You can probably sort of guess what this is. This is going to be my third bag from this collection. I may have gone a little overboard, but it is what it is, and it was 30% off, so I could not do this. Oh yes, it's another Dooney Bourke Art Deco Collection bag, and I decided to take a chance on the dark side and get the black monogram. This is the Hobo bag, and it comes in both black and white. It retails for $288, but I got it on sale, so that's awesome. And this is actually the bag I really wanted from the collection, but the price was putting me off, so I didn't do it. But hey, I got it for under 200 bucks, so not too bad. Let's get her open here. You may have noticed the bags come packaged very nicely. There is no dust bag, but that's okay. I can actually make my own. So that's what I plan to do for these Art Deco bags. And the reason I really liked this is because it's a shoulder bag, but it also has a removable strap. So you can carry it crossbody or you can add other straps to it. So I liked that versatility. Plus it kind of reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Boulogne bag, but at about 1/10 of the price, which is amazing. Quality looks very nice. Everything's covered up. Let's get some of the styrofoam off. Some details about the bag. It has vachetta leather. It's got 14 karat gold hardware. Yes, you heard that right. Take some notes, LV. Take some notes. So here is a close-up. I think this monogram is super cool, and it reminds me of the It collection back in the mid-2000s, and I had one of those bags, but I trashed it and somehow got rid of it. Should have taken better care of it. It's got really nice piping detail. Doesn't this remind you a bit of the Boulogne for anyone who has this? It has feet on the bottom and a little leather platform here, so that's very cool. I'm probably going to protect the vachetta. I've been using the Harv Deluxe like water and stain guard. It's okay, and it doesn't seem to darken the vachetta or vachetta, whatever you want to call it. Comes stuffed. I'll put the measurements up on screen, but it's a nice size, but it's not super huge. And I like all of the details on the bag. I love the piping. It's got a front zip pocket here. Really nice quality zippers. It's got a red cotton interior. So lots of versatility here. I've been asked to do a video about all of my Art Deco collection bags, so I'll probably be doing that because that's a great idea. And I do have 3 of them. Plus, weirdly, I feel like this collection is kind of under the radar. I really haven't seen a lot of other influencers talk about it, but it's a fantastic line. It reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Murakami collection, so sort of that vibe, but it's, again, very reasonably priced. Even at the full price, I didn't think the pricing was off base. Great details, nice quality, and out of the 3 Dooney Bourke bags I've gotten so far, I haven't run into any major quality issues. It does have a little key fob thing inside. The one thing is, I do wish they had made the hardware gold as well on the inside. I'm not really sure why they picked this pewter hardware, but it would have been cool to match. That's the only thing. And the zipper on the interior is a nylon zipper, and it's not a metal zipper. So that is just something to keep in mind. All right, let me open this up here. I'm going to get some scissors real quick. The strap is vachetta as well, and again, it's got the 14 karat gold hardware. The only thing about it is that the underside has a bit of a like rougher finish, so it's a little bit different. It's not super rough, but you know, and again, maybe that's a good thing, but it doesn't have the same finish on the back as the front. But again, at a $200 so price, I'm not going to be mad about that. Really nice finishes, and it's got glazing on it. So let's take a look at this bag, and I really like this. So what I plan to do is sort of like the Louis Vuitton Boulogne, I would like to put a chain across the front. You could also attach a crossbody strap, or you could attach like a guitar style strap. So it's got a lot of options to it, and I really liked that. Let's see the zipper here. Yeah, nice zipper, very smooth. I thought this would be a good way to try out the same style as the Louis Vuitton Boulogne, but at a much more budget-friendly price. Let's put the strap on. This looks like it'll be a really nice daily carry bag. So you just attach the strap like this, and I really like that you can change out the straps. That was one of the things that drew me the most to this particular style. Here it is. Yeah, check it out. Really nice looking shoulder bag. And again, could be a crossbody bag, could also be an evening bag, but this is a really beautiful bag. And I think the black just gives it a much different look than the white monogram. This is a gold chain I got on Amazon. I was pretty disappointed with it because it's actually just plastic and then the O-rings are the only metal part. A little bit deceptive, and you know, you got to be careful with Amazon, but you'll get the idea here. So this is what I wanted to do with the bag here. All right, so you can sort of get the idea. Again, this is going to look a little hokey because this is a plastic chain. Now we got the same sort of look as the Boulogne. We got the chain here, and we've got the vachetta strap here. So you could just use this as a little detail as you're carrying the bag. You could also just do a chain strap for a dressier look, and you could do a webbed guitar strap. So I really like the options with this bag. Let me show you the inside. I just think this is a really cool, like, everyday bag. I think it works for a lot of occasions. All right, so you got the red, I believe this is a cotton interior. It's got like a little key leash on the inside. It's got a slip pocket on the front of the bag. And then on the back, you got the Dooney Bourke label here, and then you have a slip pocket and then a zipper pocket. So quite a bit of storage options in here, although honestly, I don't really think I'll need them. And it also has like a little registration card and a tag on the inside, but really cool bag, I think at a very reasonable price. And I'm just shocked that I haven't seen a lot of people talking about this collection. And I also have my tassel tote here in white so that you can compare the canvas here. It's so interesting because the bags have totally different looks. It's the same monogram, just with contrasting background colors. And again, you got this one, it looks a little more dressy, and then this is a little more like summer cash here, but I think both really great bags and could be staples in my handbag collection. So this is the tassel tote. I did a video about that previously, and I also own the satchel. Currently, I don't see it on the website, so I'm hoping they restock it because I think that seems to be a very popular bag. But the only thing is I do think these pull tabs could be a little bit shorter. I think they're like a little much. So they're like 3 inches long, and I think they could probably be like 2 inches or 1.5 inches, because I do feel like these are a little bit, you know, they're a little bit long for the design. The zipper is very smooth, and again, I think this is also gold plated as well. I don't know. It's got like a little, you know, matching like beige zipper tape. I'm glad it's not white, although a lot of people think Dooney Bourke should bring back the rainbow zippers, and I agree. If this bag just had a rainbow zipper, that would make it like 100%. And it's funny because on the website with these bags, the sample online actually has a rainbow zipper, so maybe that was like a prototype, but that would have been super cool because the rainbow zippers were what I remember the most about the It bags. So this is the Dooney Bourke Hobo bag from the Art Deco Collection, and I'm super excited about it. I'm just gonna protect the vachetta and then we'll go from there. I'm not really sure if this has been treated to be like water resistant or not, or if it's more like the LV vachetta, where if you get a water drop on it, it lasts forever. But I don't really want to find out the hard way. But this is the Hobo bag. Let me know what you think. Is this a collection that you didn't know about? Because again, I have not seen a lot of people talking about it. And I think these are amazing bags. And with everything going on with Coach and all the elusiveness, like these bags were very accessible. And they're priced, I think they're priced well, even not on sale. I think the price is very fair for the quality. Zipper, super smooth here. But yeah, I'm excited to try this out and use it as a shoulder bag here. Anyways, I'm Jen with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel, and this has been an unboxing of the Dooney Bourke Art Deco Collection Hobo bag. I'll see you again in the next one. Let me know what you think down below in the comments.